From now on, let's dance and survive. We receive mercy from our ancestors. That gave us to the next generation mobile one. What can we do for our beloved children from now on? This is a step by step, one by one we can do anything from now on. Baby, emergency, too much technology, I know you won't need to find. We cannot be that, but close to the back, to the left, think about to the now.